Okay, hello everybody. We're going to start this up. Got the motor running. Pickup coils are coming out. The pickup coils are going over to the input to the bridge rectifier. The output of that rectifier goes to a FET switch. The switch dumps the 100 volts into this capacitor and then supposed to turn off, and then the second switch in the back here turns on to dump the cap out to the transformer. Everything is working. My problem is this waveform shows the problem. I've got an overlap of two lows so that one of the FETs is staying on too long. I need to shorten one of the pulses or something with one of the NE55 timers, and there's no load on the motor. I do notice a load on the motor when I turn this pot in the back, which goes to the comparator. I've got the 100 volts from the bridge rectifier coming over here through this into this clip plate here. To this goes to a 100 k ohm resistor to the divider resistor here, and so what I've done is I've captured the waveforms, and so I've got to analyze this timing and adjust the NE55 timer. And it's interesting that if I turn this pot in the back down lower, you can the speed of the motor changes, and so there is some loading, but that's because of the overlap on the two lows. And but all the transistor circuits working. I had to go with 10K resistors on and then I changed to 100K on the divider circuit. So I got 10K and 100K, and that gives me the 10 volts at the source gate to turn on the FETs. I did notice that one of the FETs is running. Give me 1 second here. Running about 80 to 90 degrees when it's under load. So anyway, that's where we are. And what the comparator does, the comparator senses that there's 100 volts there. Once that actually comes up and turns on an enable to allow this clocking over here to go to the dump the cap out to the transformer. Right now, transformer output's 0. It's not doing what it's supposed to be doing. I'm just driving one primary here, which is 1500 turns, and I've got a secondary now connected to the bridge rectifier to the caps. The caps show 5 volts, but I think that's leftover charge from previous charging. Anyway, that's where we are. The motor's running pretty smooth. It's doing, I guess, I don't know, 250, 300 RPMs. Cooling fans are doing their thing, and everything's working great. So it really sounds nice and smooth, and pickup coils are doing their thing, and I'm only using one phase right now, so I've got to update to the other two phases, and